Hello, this is Pokemon 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm happy to announce that tomorrow will not be the day that we are going to get Pokemon Heartgold, because bada boom boom, we've got it tonight. It's going to be an unboxing because of the Pokérocker accessory. Also, there's going to be a walkthrough to this, so stay tuned for that. It's going to start tomorrow. So let's do an unboxing. Let's start here. First, we're just going to take the Pokéwalker out. Shows you the instructions. Do not wash. If you do, Pokéwalker's done. Not gonna have it anymore. Ah, man. The Pokéwalker. Remove and discard before use. Okay, let's remove it. Ah. Oh, and it says connect. I'm so happy. It works. I pulled it out correctly. Yay! Why does it say pet? Over there. It says pet. Why does it say that? Oh, okay, pet. Okay, that's pet. Pet, 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 pet. Okay then, that's just really weird. I think this is the clip, I think. Yeah, this is the clip. This is the clip one. I think I could do it right now. No, not now. Yeah. Oh my god, it's a Pokéwalker. I mean, I'm so excited of a Pokéwalker. Operations manual. This will teach you how to do it. I'm actually gonna teach you how to do it because I actually know, memorized. Do not wash your Pokéwalker! Got it? Okay, good. Okay, because if you do, I will kill you. I'm kidding, I won't. Just don't, please. If you want to, like, buy a new one for a new game for, like, this, $40, fine with me, but not fine with my parents. But, yeah, here's the game. I love the packaging. I mean, I just love this Ho-Oh. I mean, isn't it just really cool? Post below if you think it's cool. Back. Now it's open. Pokemon. Yes, yes, yes. I know what you're thinking. No, I do not know what you're thinking, actually. Here's a Pokemon Heartgold thing. Yes, we're not gonna need that. I'm gonna put that right there. Yes, there we go. Got the Pokéwalker, which surprisingly works. What the heck? It wants me to make it work. Yeah, I'll make it work tonight. So yes, we're going to start the walkthrough tomorrow. Yes, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. This has been Pokemon 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, also known as WBBA 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Bakugan 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.